Hari Om. Welcome to the Tattvat Yoga. Today is a day 3 of Goddess Chandraghanta, which means courage and peace. Goddess Chandraghanta, who has crescent moon on her forehead, she is fierce in destroying evil but also bringing peace and balance. Today, Sankalpa is all about channelizing our inner strength, letting go of fear, and finding courage. Key posture of today is Ardha Chandra Asana, half moon pose. This balancing pose evokes the serenity of the moon and requires a calm, focused mind. Sequence of day 3, first we're doing warm up, standing forward fold, Uttanasana, and then we do triangle pose, Trikona Asana. This is our first warm up. Then we will come to the main practice. From Trikona Asana, we will doing Ardha Chandrasana and some poses that open our chest, like Bhujangasana we are also doing today. Then we are doing cool down like knee to chest pose, and then we're doing meditation on the mantra Om Devi Chandraghantaye Namaha. So this is the today sequence of day 3. So we can stand in center of your mat. Slowly we are doing Uttanasana. So hand side of your body, fingers stretching downwards, feet together. Now slowly take a deep inhale, raise up your arms first. As you exhale, slowly hands slowly down, down, and just hand side of your body. Don't make a curve on your back. Just if you can't do, just go like this, inhale, and just here, slowly hand side touching to the floor, making support. And there is a stretch on your hamstring area, on the calf muscles also. It releases the tension, and just slowly just hold for 5 breaths or 5 seconds. We will hold for 5 seconds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale and release the posture. So this is the Uttanasana. Now we will doing the Trikona Asana. We will do yesterday also. Day yesterday we do. So stand inside of your mat. Take a medium distance between the legs. Inhale, turn your right leg into the 90-degree. Inhale, raise up your arms. Now slowly exhale, turning on your right side, right hand touching to your thigh, left hand pulling towards the sky, and look upward. If you can hold your ankle also, and just hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, raise your arms to your shoulder level. Exhale, turning your foot. Now inhale, turn your left leg into the 90-degree. Now slowly exhale, hand side of your body, right hand pulling towards the sky, and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, exhale, hands down. Now inhale, bending your one leg, and so exhale, back to the center. This is the warm-up series today. If you want, so you can add the Surya Namaskar. Today we are not doing the Surya Namaskar. Now we are doing the Ardha Chandrasana. So stand inside of your mat again. Take a big gap between the legs. Inhale, take your left leg turning to the 90 degree, and right leg into the 45 degree or a 5 degree distance. Now slowly inhale, bending your left leg, and slowly inhale, raise up your arms into the Namaskar and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, release the hand first, straight to your left leg, feet back to the same position. Now on the right side, again turning your right foot under the 90 degree, left foot on the 45 degree, turning your body to the right side. Now bending the right leg first, and slowly inhale, raise up your arms and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Then back to the center. So this is the core posture, and there is one more posture we will show you, is the Bhujangasana. So lay down on your back first. So as you can see, my feet together, touching to the front, hand side of your body on the shoulder level. Now slowly inhale, head up first, then chest up, and here hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Now here we have to do the counter pose also, because we are doing back bending pose. Turning on your back, lay down on the back. We will do knee to chest pose. Now again, leg straight first. Inhale, bending your leg, and catch your knees, hugging the knees, and push towards the chest and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release and exhale and relax. This is the cool down pose or the counter pose. Now seated on any comfortable posture, cross-legged posture. Hand should be on the Gyan Mudra. Eyes closed. Take a 2 to 3 deep breath. Inhale and exhale. And chant 11 times. Today mantra is Om Devi Chandraghantaya Namaha. Start with a deep inhale, and you can count down up to the 11 times. Om Devi Chandraya Ghantaya Namaha. Om Devi Chandraghantaya 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 Namaha. Slowly bringing the palms together, rubbing the palms, generate the heat. Slowly touching to your eyes, your face, and your whole body. Slowly open your eyes. So this is the end of the today's sessions, day 3. I hope it works for you today. We will see you tomorrow on the day 4. Hari Om Tat Sat.